this is a mess. You're tuning into this video because you either love cleaning videos, need some cleaning declutter motivation, or you just love watching my content. I'll take you along while I deep clean my kitchen cabinets, declutter them, and organize them. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Sheshiy, mom of two, married and based here in Germany. If you love mom lifestyle videos, cleaning, cooking, and such stuff, I'll be glad if you stayed and joined the family. Let me put Mariam to bed and then come and we do it proper. I don't know if you're like me, but I think procrastination is my last name. Because tell me why our beautiful cabinets could be this dirty. So I'll be going in with some vinegar and this magic scrub mummy and microfiber cloth and try and make these things clean. Honestly, the vinegar was not working for my cabinets. I don't know if maybe they have this glossy finish, but they were not working. Thank God I saw this hack on TikTok with a citric acid, and guess what? It did the magic. I bought this citric acid a while ago. It was brand new. As you can see, I just opened it. I didn't even know how it smelled. And it started I had a burning feeling on my skin, and that's why I poured some water on my skin. But it was doing its magic. As soon as I put it on the cabinet, oh my goodness, I was in awe, flabbergasted. As you can see, I'm not even putting in so much work, so much effort into the cleaning. Just this microfiber cloth and just some small smooth rubs, and it was like brand new, amazing. So I decided not to just use it concentrated. I decided to mix it with some water, add some soap, and I grabbed some gloves because I don't want any burning sensations in my hands. I was so motivated, I even grabbed a chair for me to reach the higher parts of the cabinet. Like, this thing is amazing. Please grab yourselves some citric acid. The vinegar doesn't do much for my glossy cabinets. I promise you, you will not regret it. This citric acid is a universal cleaner for everything. It makes toilet bowls, anything that has to do with hard water buildup, amazing. setting buckets. It's unbelievable, but it's so fulfilling. Just seeing that how everything is getting clean. Mashallah. This will be tough. This will be very tough. Well, let's see how we're going to manage it. It's disgusting actually when I'm with this up close. Can I already see a difference? Be sure to look for part 2 to watch the continuation of this video. Thank you so much.